Today, I'm going to recommend you the best anime list in this video. If you enjoy this video, please do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new, then remember to turn on notification for more upcoming top 10 videos. So, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Number 10. Demon Lord Retry. Uno Akira, a working adult that can be found anywhere, was transported to a different world while logged into a character known as the Demon Lord in a game he manages. There, he meets a girl with a disabled leg and they begin to travel together, but there's no way that others will leave a Demon Lord with such overwhelming strengths alone. While being targeted by countries and saints that are trying to subdue the Demon Lord, they cause turmoil wherever they go. Demon Lord on the outside, normal person on the inside, a misunderstanding type fantasy. Number 9. Trinity 7. In this romantic comedy, but sometimes serious magical school story, life as Arata Kasuga knows it is wiped out by a bizarre incident known as collapse phenomenon, which causes worldwide destruction and takes his cousin Hijiri Kasuga to the next world. To resolve the collapse phenomenon and bring back Hijiri, Arata enrolls in the Royal Biblia Academy. Waiting in the school are 7 beautiful female magic users, the Trinity 7. Number 8. How not to summon a Demon Lord. Within the world of Cross Reverie, 2 maidens in dire need summon the fearsome Demon Lord Diablo to save them. But Cross Reverie is just a virtual reality game, and Diablo is Takuma Sakamoto, an elite player with social issues. Sakamoto is shocked at his situation, even more so when the maidens Shira and Rem become magically enslaved to him, but he decides to rise to the occasion and use his Diablo persona to help out the girls and survive in the new world. Number 7. Nura, Rise of the Yokai Clan. Riko Nura, a part Yukai and part human boy, grew up as the young master of the Nura clan. Comprising Yukai of all shapes and sizes, Riko treated the clan like family. However, he learned that he was the only one among his classmates who saw them in this light. To most, they were terrifying creatures of folklore who ate children and relished in bloodshed. Taking this to heart, he swore to live his life as a normal human. Normalcy, however, is hard to come by for young Riko. Complicating his goal are his Yukai attendant, who under the name Surura Oikawa, goes to school alongside him, the young Onmyuji Yuraki Kane, and his close friend Kiesugu, who idolizes Yukai and hopes to prove their existence. To make matters worse, rival Yukai and other entities threaten to harm those Riko holds dear.
Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I.
Number 6. Blood Lad. This anime follows Staz, a vampire from the demon world who avoids is an otaku for human goods, especially manga and anime. The accidental arrival of Fuyumi Yanagi, who wandered into the demon world through a portal, changes his life. Whilst he fights a territory rival, she is eaten by a carnivorous plant. Staz pledges to help bring her back to life. Number 5. Demon King Demao. Dreaming of changing the world for good, Akuto Sai transfers to Constant Magic Academy where he befriends a virtuous ninja clan member, Junko Hattori. On the way to the academy, they vow to make the world a better place together. However, the situation suddenly takes a turn for the worse upon his arrival. It is prophesied that he will become the Demon King. As word of his destiny spreads, the school begins to fear him, and Junko's trust in him falters. While Akuto is determined to not let his predicted future control his fate, it seems as though everything he says and does only serve to reinforce the fact that he is destined to be the Demon King. Moreover, he is surrounded by a harem of beautiful girls who each have their own plans for him, ranging from bringing him to justice to simply showering him with love. With his newly awakened powers, Akuto must cope with his constantly growing list of misfortune and fight to prove that his fate is not set in stone. After being flushed down a toilet, 15-year-old Yui Shibuya is transported to an alternate world called the New Demon Kingdom, and is told that he is to be the new king of the demons. Helped by 4 of his subjects, Konrad Weller, Gunther von Kleist, Wolfram von Bielefeld, and Gwendal von Voltaire, he must learn how to rule an entire country, as well as how to prevent a war between the demons and the humans who live beside them.
Raise your voice and raise your power, your power. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice, raise your power, yeah.
Number 2. The devil is a part-timer. Striking fear into the hearts of mortals, the demon lord Satan begins to conquer the land of Enter Isla with his vast demon armies. However, while embarking on this brutal quest to take over the continent, his efforts are foiled by the hero Amelia, forcing Satan to make his swift retreat through a dimensional portal only to land in the human world. Along with his loyal general Allseal, the demon finds himself stranded in modern-day Tokyo and vows to return and complete his subjugation of Enter Isla, that is, if they can find a way back. Powerless in a world without magic, Satan assumes the guise of a human named Sadao Mao and begins working at MGR Ronald's, a local fast food restaurant, to make ends meet. He soon realizes that his goal of conquering Enter Isla is just not enough as he grows determined to climb the corporate ladder and become the ruler of Earth, one satisfied customer at a time. Number 1. Overlord. The final hour of the popular virtual reality game Yggdrasil has come. However, Momonga, a powerful wizard and master of the Dark Guild Ains Oolgaun, decides to spend his last few moments in the game as the servers begin to shut down. To his surprise, despite the clock having struck midnight, Momonga is still fully conscious as his character, and moreover, the non-player characters appear to have developed personalities of their own. Confronted with this abnormal situation, Momonga commands his loyal servants to help him investigate and take control of this new world, with the hopes of figuring out what has caused this development and if there may be others in the same predicament.